value pairs. CGI variables are collection of name value pairs, and they are common for all web servers. Okay, and these variables are going to play important role whenever you make your application run on server, whenever you host your application on server. That is the reason these CGI variables are called server variables. These variables are called server variables. Okay, and connecting with the CGI variables, I will be showing you how to write a program so that you get complete list. Complete list. Okay, complete list of variables. Okay, so that we'll see in classic ASP. Now, second thing. Now we are going to discuss about something called get method. Get method. And here in get method, first I'll show you what is get method. Direct practical I'll show you. Then I'll talk theory about it. Easily you can understand. Okay? Chalo, right. Now let me open Internet Explorer or Chrome, Google Chrome. Okay, open it. Yes, here I open Google and remember every web page, every web page that whether you design or it is already a page of application which is running, you can find that those pages are specified by two methods. Two methods. What are they? One get method. One is get method, and second is post method. Okay, so whenever you submit your form to browser, so browser is going server is going to or you are going to submit that form based on what? Two methods, either get or post. Just now I requested for google.com. Even when I requested for google.com is also designed with some method. Which method it is, get or post? You have to justify that. Okay, check this then. Right click on this page, click on view page source. Click on view page source. We got that code. We got the code which Google has written for its home page. Google has written for its home page. What you're looking for? Method, right? You're looking for method. Then say Control F, method. Yes, here it is mentioned. Google page has been designed with get method. Like that, every method, every web page requires this specification. And if you don't mention anything, default it will consider web page. If you don't, during your web page designing, if you don't mention your method specification, by default it is considered to be your get method. See, get method. So google.com has been designed with get method. Do you understand? Get method default. Acha, now the speciality of get method. Speciality. What is the speciality of get method? That thing I'll explain you. Okay. So now remember, close this tab I closed. Okay. I just closed the tab. And remember one speciality. What is the speciality? I want to search something in Google. Like I say, introduction of database. Some message. The moment you click on this, what is it you're requesting now to server? You're requesting server to search for a topic called, if I to write introduction, better I write direct. Database. Direct. Only database. Enter. First important thing, what you see, first most important thing, what you see is here in the link, in the link, if you open Notepad, if you open Notepad, and I copied this link. Remember, I copied just. I said right click, copy. Just to show you, I'm saying I copied. I paste here. And what did you see? You remember what you searched for? What did you search for? Database. And you can see whenever we clicked on search, the database is found as q equals to database. It is there in the URL. That, see, whatever the text you have searched for, it is there. It is there as what? What do you notice? It's there as a it is there in your browse, in your URL. What is here? Q. Q is like key. 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 Q is key. Database value. So it means whenever you are using get method for your web page, and in that method, whatever the content you submit, that content will be available in the URL. And what do you call this? This is called query string. So under get method, this is name of the variable. Q is name of the variable. This is value of the variable. So what do you notice? That name value pair will be available in the form of something called query string. What do you call? Query string. And how did you separate? Ampersand. How did you start? Question mark. Always remember, query string starts with question mark, and then variable and values will be separated by ampersand. And one more interesting thing, one thing, what I will do, for example, this is only a reference I'm giving. This is the advantage of get method. I can add this link as bookmark. I can add this link as what? Bookmark. So that tomorrow if I need same thing, I'll go to bookmark, I'll click on that, direct the same page will be available for us. Tomorrow again I don't need to repeat. Again open Google, again type database, again click on search, again it should come. Don't do all that stuff. Simple analyzation is type the word, add this as web, add this as Do you understand the bookmark, importance of bookmark? Okay, and one more thing. I can send you, I can send you as it is. I will copy paste this to your email IDs as it is. I'll copy this. I'll put in your I'll email you. I will email you. What will happen if you email? Simple. If I email, simple point is simple point is if I email, simple point is tomorrow when you open that mail, when you click on that link in your email, when you click on that link direct, it will show you that same information. That is what we have another advantage of creating a web page with get method. Do you understand? Hmm. And now, but obviously whatever you're asking to search, everything is available in your URL in your browser. That is the reason. Obviously it is not secured. It is not secured. And if I refresh, what will happen? If I refresh, will it again go back to that previous screen, Google homepage, and then it will ask me to enter database, and then it will come back to this page, or will it give me same page again? If I refresh, what is the story? If I refresh one, same information, direct I'm getting. Refresh, same, refresh, same. That is another advantage of get. If get method is used, if the page is refreshed, it would not prompt before the request is submitted again. It will not ask me to again input the text which you are searching for, as earlier I did. Do you understand what exactly I said now? That is get method speciality. Post method, one more method is it. In this, what will happen, whatever the name value pairs you submit through post method, they are not available in the URL. No, they are not available in the URL. They are sent to server background process, through background process. It's not directly available for you on the screen, on the URL. Obviously, because it is not available in the URL, it is secured. It is secured. Things are not available in the URL. It's not restricted. Any amount of data you can send. If it is found in URL, then limited amount of data you can send to server. Do you understand what I said? Hmm. Now, coming to another important thing that we study here is whenever, do you know, when you ask for some file, you get one most common error, most common. That's called 404 error. Did you heard about it? 404. That is actually called file not found error. File not found error. Not sick, not authorized, not authenticated. Most common error, 404 error in your web technology, in your web application. Most common. Like that, in this web application development, it is compulsory for you to know the series. 100 series is always considered to be informational. 200 series always represents success. 300 series always represents redirect. 400 series always represents file not found, not authorized, not authenticated. These all errors will come under it. 500 series is always that represents server error. Represents what? Server error. That's it. Now let's see how to install IIS server. First, I will show you, even you can open your browser and try this. If you are using phone, use whichever browser available in your phone. If you are using laptop, keep your browser ready. Any browser, I'm saying any browser. open it. So I prefer to go with Internet Explorer. So I explore. Yes, Internet Explorer. And I just want to show you first whether in my system, whether in my system IIS server is installed or not. That is what I want to look first. So you all can open browser. After opening the browser, go to address bar, that is to URL bar, and there you type http colon slash slash localhost. Enter. Yes. http colon slash slash localhost. Enter. That's it. Why this port number is come? Just localhost. Enough. http colon slash slash localhost. Just type that. Enter. Yes. If you get a message saying that page not found, it means Internet Information Service server is not installed. Means IIS server is not installed in your machine. If you get page not found, but if you get logo of IIS server, logo of IIS server, if you find, then it means IIS server is installed. Did you both try once? Open your browser and type this http colon slash slash localhost. Just confirm me through chat panel. Did you get logo of that IIS server or did you get the error? If you get the error saying that page not found, indicating that IIS server is not installed. Okay, Anand got error. What about Srinivas? This is the same, Srinivas. Did you get error? This site. Yeah, I understood. I understood. Anand, I understood. If you're getting that error, indicating that IIS is not. Acha, this screen you're getting, Srinivas, what is there in on my browser? It means for you IIS is already installed.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, another approach you see, another way to check. This is one way, no? Another way. If IIS server is installed, Anand, you check as well as Srinivas, both you check. What I want you to do is, open this PC, go to C drive, and in C drive you see whether you have this folder inetpub. See, it's there or not? Confirm it through chat panel. Romana, you also check. Okay, Anand doesn't have. Srinivas, you should have them. Okay, Anand. It means for you, Romana, it's not there. Okay, fine. It means IIS server is not installed in Romana's machine and Anand's machine. Srinivas Reddy has that folder. It means for him, IIS is already installed. inetpub. In that, we have again some subfolders and all the different stories. Okay. Now I'll show you how to install. You all try parallelly, please. Anand and Romana both, you try parallelly. Start run control. Open control panel. Both of you open control panel. After that, go to programs. In that, programs and features. Go to programs and features. Did you go there? Is it the same screen being flashed on your screens also? Ah, here option is there. Turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. Turn Windows features on or off. Click on it. One more window gets opened with title Windows features. Is it there? Hmm. Okay. Now do one thing. Here, expand Internet Information Services. Expand that. Hmm. Especially Srinivas, Anand, for you both I'm saying, remember this. This will be helpful for us in C Sharp and ASP both. Remember, this is only general knowledge I'm saying, general point. Remember, if you find this box empty, okay, you all know it is unchecked. That box is unchecked. If you find the box with tick mark in it, it means it is checked. It is checked. This is called unchecked. This is called checked. And if you find a box filled with the color, with the box inside it, not a tick mark, not an empty, if you find, that is called indeterminate state. So a checkbox will always have three states. Three states. Checked state, unchecked state, indeterminate. Clearly listen, indeterminate. By Monday, don't make it as intermediate. I said indeterminate. It is not intermediate. Remember, this is one general query. I just recollected, so I said. Okay, come back. Now remember one more thing. If you find tick mark indicating that all features of that is selected. One second. I didn't say anything. Don't do anything. Anand, just wait. I'm just explaining you. If you find tick mark indicating that all features are selected. Tick mark is there. If tick mark is not there, it means no features are selected. If you find this box inside this checkbox, it means some are selected, some are not selected. Partial selected. Simple. Chalo, now do one thing. Expanded Internet Information Services. All. Romana, did you expand? And Anand, did you expand that? Now go to Web Management Tools. Expand Web Management Tools. Expanded. Under Web Management Tools, Expand IIS 6 management compatibility. Nothing is there. Don't select anything. Select all these three options. If they are already there, don't uncheck. Let continue with the same. Don't do anything. If it is unchecked, then check it. Check all these three. You check. Anand, Romana. All three. Only these three. These three. Because inside this, nothing is checked. Okay. Only three are checked. Okay then. That's it. Did you check? Now go to World Wide Web Services. World Wide Web Services. Expand application development features. All you select in it. All you select. Whatever you see in my screen, the same thing you do. Please don't do any extra in it. Chalo, right. Then go to common HTTP features. Select all in it. Expand and select all. Then nothing is there in health and diagnostics. Nothing is there in performance. Expand security. Select two things: basic authentication, request filtering. हाँ, अब बोलो okay. Okay, you say. For me, I don't need to do. It's already there. Just click on OK. It takes some time. Wait. Once it is completed, update me. Then I'll say what next to do. That is how you install IIS server. It takes some time. Just wait. It takes time. Don't do anything. Have patience. It takes some time. Anand, is it done at your end? Is it done at your end? Yeah, okay. Just wait, Anand. Wait. Romana, is it done at your end? Nausheen? Just wait. It will be. It will be. Now open any browser, Internet Explorer or Chrome, whatever you have. Open that browser. रन में जाओ, स्टार्ट रन में जाके आई एक्सप्लोर बोलो, इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर ओपन हो जाता. आई एक्सप्लोर, जस्ट से स्टार्ट रन आई एक्सप्लोर, internet explorer will open. If Chrome is there, open Chrome. If you have something else, open that. Okay, did you open? Anand, did you open that? Now you type in that http ://localhost, enter. http colon, I'll type here by seeing that you type the same. http ://localhost, enter. You should get home page of IIS server. That is nothing but logo of IIS server. Okay, Anand got it since. Now Sheen, for you. Okay, do one thing. Both of you, do one thing. Go to my computer, that is this PC, then open C drive, check whether you have inetpub folder in your C drive or not. It means IIS server is now installed in your machine. Yes. So IIS is ready. That's it. That's it. Next class, I'll continue. Next class, we'll see direct examples on that. Okay. And then immediately after this, after showing one or two examples on it, now I just asked you to install Anand. That's what I'm saying. I said I'll show you examples. Next class, I'll cover examples. In that examples, I'll cover what is the purpose of going with this IIS server. I didn't explain anything. I just have shown you how to install. That's it. What is its role? What is its important? Why do we need it? Those all things I'll get back to you next class.